you
the
ask
question
again.
again? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So there was this statement in the lecture, like if we take any two random people in the world, the hops between them will be six. So,
Yeah.
like, how can we say this with certainty, or what is the context? I didn't get.
Yeah, yeah. But have you seen the slides? There's an animation in the slides which shows how the six was calculated. Do you remember that slide?
Yes, sir, but not sure if I understood that correctly.
Yeah, yeah. So the way Sajal it is calculated is that at least this kind of experiment was done multiple times, right? So
Okay,
what the experiment was done was they would say that okay, now Sajal is becoming a participant in the study. We will give Sajal, let's take 10 covers and ask her to send the letter to 10 people of her friends.
okay,
Okay? You will send it to
yes,
10 people. And in
yes,
that 10 people, there's a letter again inside that one cover. Everybody has to send it to 10 more people,
okay,
right? You sent it to 10. That 10, let's take, sent it to 10 people. So 100 people ho
yeah,
gaya. 100,000 people
yeah,
ho gaya, let's take. So like
yes,
this, do an experiment. And so
okay,
now any two random people, which is Sajal sends this letter, the possibility of a person that you know, right? So the person that is getting this letter, right, is two random people will have only six hops between them, well, five hops between them. What does this mean? Any two people, if you take friend of a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend, right, will be connected to you. Any
okay,
two people if you take, there are only five people between. ये letter
mm,
बेचते बेचते देखेंगे. So
yeah,
it is that anybody in the world, if you take, let's take you are meeting somebody. Actually, meeting somebody, you and I are not random, right? You and I
yeah,
are, I mean, professor, teacher, there's a one hop itself sometimes with most of
yes,
us. But let's take that you're traveling somewhere and you meet somebody in random buddy in Kenya and you say that, oh, are we connected? Then you look at your friends list, write down your friends list, then ask them to write the friends list, ask them to write the friends list. This Kenya person and you will be connected within five people.
I, okay,
That's the logic.
okay. And another was the strength of weak ties, like the information that we get is generally from weak ties. Like, how is that?
So that's very, very commonly seen now, right? Which is that I don't know in your case whether you've experienced this. In my case, the opportunities that I get, the big ones, my first job, my uh, so to say, students, best students that have come and worked with me, all of them have come to us with only people who are not strongly connected to me. फॉर एग्जाम्पल
Okay,
somebody said that यार ये इंस्टीट्यूट बन रहा है ये प्रोजेक्ट है यहाँ जाके भेज दो see whether you'll be able to do something there and that becomes bigger. Your
okay,
strong friends,
yeah,
they give you information for sure, but the strong ties क्या होता है information flow बहुत बार inside ही होता है. You will tell your strong friend and then they will not say it outside, let's take. Whereas
okay,
weak
ठीक
ties
है,
में क्या होती है? Opportunity सबसे ज़्यादा weak ties के through आती है. Just think about it for a second. Meaning, I'm sure, for example,
yes,
yesterday I posted, yesterday I posted one of my PhD student joining a job. The way that she got that job also was fantastic. No, we were taking a flight. She was traveling with me, and she was taking a
okay,
flight with me
okay,
to one of the cities. And we both sat separately because our bookings were different. So I sat in a different seat, she sat in a different seat. The person next
yeah,
to sitting to the person sitting next to her
mm,
was a dean of a school. And then that person said, "Oh, why didn't you apply for a job with us? We are also looking for
wow,
faculty to join." And she applied and she got the job. Now she's a faculty there. That's what a weak tie
oh,
strength is. Somebody who is sitting in your flight for 2 hours is a weak tie. There's no
yes,
connection to you at all, but opportunities come like that.
okay, yeah, I get now.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I also have some like trouble calculating clustering coefficients. That was part of our
Uh,
practice assignment.
okay.
So, like, can someone walk through that?
Yeah. So
like
we can do that.
this
But
questions.
yeah, yeah. One second. Let me just. Piyush, last time we did this with Hitkul again. No, can you not post that recording to everybody?
Uh,
So Sajal, I think what happened was what happened last time also last semester also one student asked. So we did a separate session with
Okay,
Hitkul taking a graph and going through. Hitkul is my PhD student, taking a graph,
okay.
going through each and every step and trying to calculate the values. So we can find the same video and give it to you.
Yes, sir. That would be helpful. We can
so
watch
I
that.
Yeah,
think we have released it during the week 7 week 8. So I will
yeah,
share the link. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Sajal, if you don't get it in another day or two,
Okay.
ask, remind Piyush. If not, let me know. I can find. I will get. Piyush will send it. Piyush and Rati will find it and send it to you.
Yes.
I will send
And
it.
Actually, Rati, why don't we do this? Let's just post it on the Discord separately because I think everybody may have this question, so it may be useful for that video to show up in the video week two.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, Sajal. What else?
so two more questions from the practice assignment of week two. So there's
Okay.
this question: in what format is the extracted data stored in the database? Like I'm
Yeah.
guessing this is like extracted data from API.
Yeah.
So like is it not that it can be stored in any form, like relational or non-relational form?
No, I don't think so. The question's about relation and non-relation. No, when you collected the data from Twitter, you get it in only one format. That's the question.
That's JSON.
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
question.
okay. And so last question from my side is like, what are it was like this? What are the roles of different tokens in the Twitter API? So
Yeah,
like, are these tokens consumer API, consumer secret access tokens?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So each of them have different roles, right? I think in Twitter there are
Yes.
four of
Yes.
them. There's the secret key, one is
Yes.
a
Four of them.
user ID. So yeah, so
Yes, sir. That was it from my side. Thank you.
wow, super Sejal. इतना I
Uh,
mean, I'm so happy. I'm so happy पीयूष किसी ने स्लाइड्स को इतना पाड़ पाड़ के पढ़े हैं और सवाल भी पूछ रहे हैं. Good यार, good. Very nice, Sejal. Very nice
I'm
to have
asking the
you.
same doubt that previous student has faced the issue, right? That calculation part. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have shared that video in the
Sajal,
chat.
Okay.
Piyush has posted it on Slack on the Meet, and Rati, please post it on Discourse also.
Yeah, I will post
Sure.
it sir, on Discord. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sajal, otherwise आप क्या करते हैं?
Sir, I am doing an internship, like full time here, sir. But
Oh yeah. आपने you finished your BTech already.
yeah, BCA.
Yeah.
So I
You finished
started
it.
in January.
Okay. Yeah. So do well this course, Sajal, and if you're interested, you can come and work with me. That's
Okay.
come to Triple ID Hyderabad. Right. I don't know whether your interest is in research and stuff like that, but if you are, you're welcome to do well in this class, and we can explore opportunities.
Okay, sir. That's great.
Yeah. Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Mukesh, you have any questions?
No, for week 1, week 2, I am okay till now.
Okay. And did you join last week?
No, actually, last week I haven't got the notification and I have some office work, so somehow I missed it.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself then? Where are you calling from? What do you do? What are you doing otherwise?
I am actually a working professional. I am working in IT company from last 18 years. Okay.
Oh, very nice.
It's actually an MOLIT, so it's a shipping branch. My main core development is in .NET, Oracle, and SQL servers.
Okay.
So I am
And
basically as in, yeah.
what location do you work and where are you now?
I am working in Kolkata. Okay.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah.
I think Pratodeep is also in Kolkata.
Yes.
No, sir, Silchar.
Oh,
Assam.
Silchar. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, people should get people. If you're close by, you should also meet, right?
Yeah. The only chance we get as of now are the exams. So we meet during the quizzes. People are getting the same centers. We are meeting, and then that's all.
Yeah. That's okay. Hmm. Sajal, how far is Delhi from Ludhiana?
It takes 5-6 hours, sir. I
Okay.
know in terms of time.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So if I come to Delhi, can you come to Delhi? If I
Yes,
tell
sir,
you
I
before,
can.
if I tell you
Yes,
beforehand,
yes.
okay.
Yes,
Okay.
my relatives live there, so I can
Okay.
come.
So let's plan it. So again, Piyush, last time भी नहीं हुआ था यार ये discourse में. How do I get their email address? How do I get Sajal's email ID now?
Sir, Discord doesn't provide email address.
So how as a faculty we get to know? Meaning, I let me go and see whether I can just ping Sajal on the chat.
Yes, so I can share the data, sir. In that you can find the list of students who are registered in this course.
Okay. So Sajal,
Or
let me just
alternatively, you can add him to the Google chat space if that is possible.
Google.
Google Chat is there, sir. Google.
So all
So
the
there
students
is a
of the
group
current
for this
term,
course?
yeah.
Okay, so I don't know whether I am part of it, but why do we need so many platforms यार डिस्कोर्स है वहीं पे रखते हैं ना अभी गूगल
Yes,
चैट
sir.
होगी फिर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाओगे मतलब नहीं wait I see Sajal Anand, let me just ping hi. Did you get my message, Sajal,
Sir,
in
on
discourse?
discourse,
Yeah.
let me see. Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, so I will take it from there. Yeah, why don't you just type your email address and I'll take it from there. Okay, cool. Anything else, Piyush?
Yes, sir. Sir, in week 2, we have those Twitter API and data extraction from Reddit API, right?
Yeah, right.
So Twitter API is now paid, so it is not free version is available.
Yeah.
So student was asking
Yeah.
regarding that. So I told them
Yeah,
that you just go through the tutorial, understand the logic and the flow, and that is will be enough, right? Sir?
Yeah, sure. That's all we
And
should be
sir,
able to do.
one more thing about the Reddit.
But once again, even for the Twitter itself, what we can do is that, meaning, please, for the students, we can actually give you a data from Twitter and ask you to do, for example, quiz or something like that, right? Right. So please don't think that the content for the course is collecting data. That only that collection cannot happen now, but I can give you meaning. For example, I'll give you a link here where all our data sets are public and many of them are actually. So if you go to this URL, many of these data sets actually have Twitter. We can just give you that data set and ask you to do some analysis on it. Yeah, Piyush. What else?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So I will share these resources with the student.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah.
can download. And about the Reddit API also, sir. So I think PushShift Reddit has banned the PushShift. They have revoked the access of PushShift API.
Yeah.
So I think we need to apply for a developer account. We need to request, then we will get.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If they get it, then that's good. Again, push shift ke liye bhi I'll say the same thing. No, there is ways to give them data, so that should not be a problem.
Yes. So I'm trying to apply for I am requesting for a Reddit API. If I get the access, I can record the tutorial and I can share them. We just need to update the credential inside the.
Yeah. I guess the students are smart enough to just go through that process themselves. But yeah, we can tell.
We can post the tutorial also. No issue.
Gone dark for a day or two. But yeah, Prathadeep. Yeah, Saurabh, you have raised your hand. Do you have anything particular?
Good evening, sir. Am I audible now?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. Also, that time I think I have some network issues. So,
Yeah, tell me, where are you calling from? What are you doing? And
so basically, I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and I'm doing computer science and engineering from Odisha University of Technology and Research. Beside this,
okay,
yes,
yeah, very nice.
yes, sir.
Sure. So Saurabh, Mukesh, and Moizali, and Prathadeep also, can you set your video on? We'll take a picture here. I think we need some memories to be created as part of this course also. Yeah, Piyush, Bal will bana lo yaar. Matlab. Okay, good. Saurabh, can you switch on the camera if it's possible, or do you have trouble?
Yes, sir. One second.
I don't know whether last semester I posted this picture, but
So on Discourse, we have posted it.
okay.
Sir, I think it was reached for a second.
Can you hear me now, Piyush?
Yes, sir. Now I
Your
can.
video was frozen for a while.
Yeah. I got thrown away. Okay. So is anybody else talking about taking this course on social media? No? Okay. So
no, I
we
don't.
should do that, Piyush. Let me do some discourse post now saying that, look, I think we should post, tag people or ask people if they want to be tagged or something. Okay, let me take a picture. Okay, on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. Thank you everyone for joining. And if you have any questions, feel free to post it on Discourse. Happy to answer it there. Of course, I will join every week this call also. Okay? Okay, good,
Thank you
Piyush.
so
Anything
much,
else?
Mozari, any? Okay. Yeah, okay, sir. That's it.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thanks for
Thank
the
you,
session.
sir. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.